Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel CBSC Math Group. Here we discuss various types of mathematical problems. We discuss mathematical problems from NCERT textbook, which helpful for CBSC based students. In my channel, we discuss 5 to 10 classes mathematical problems. So let's start. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Today we are going to discuss class 8 chapter 2 exercise 2.4 linear equations in one variable. Let's start the exercise 2.4. Problem 1. The problem is Anima thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? First, we assume Amina thought the number is equal to x, and according to the problem, first we subtract 5 by 2 from x and then multiply the result by 8, means x minus 5 by 2 into 8, and the result obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of, means 3x. 3 into x means 3x. So we can write x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x, or we write 8x minus 40 by 2 is equal to 3x, or 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. Now we separate the variables and the number. Now we write 8x minus 3x is equal to 20, or 5x equal to 20, or x equal to 4. Therefore the number is equal to 4. Go to the next problem. Problem number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So let's go to the solution. First we assume a one positive number be x. So other positive number is equal to 5x according to the problem. And if we add 21 to the both number, then we get the new numbers are 5x plus 21 and x plus 21. Now as per problem, after adding the 21 of both the numbers, the one of the new number becomes twice of the other new number. So we can write 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21, because the one new number becomes twice of the other new number. So we can write 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus 21, or 5x plus 21 equal to 2x plus 42. Now we separate the variable and the numbers. So we can write 5x minus 2x equal to 42 minus 21, or 3x equal to 21, or x equal to 7. So one number is equal to 7 and other is 5x. So 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Okay, go to problem number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So first we assume the digit at 10th place be x. So as per problem, we can write the digit at one place will be 9 minus x. Now we can write the original 2-digit number is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x, because the number of 10th place is equal to x and the one place is equal to 9 minus x. So the original number is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. After interchanging the digit, the new number is 10 into 9 minus x plus x, because now we interchange the digits, means the number of tens place be 9 minus x and the number of ones place is x. So according to the problem, we can write 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 is equal to 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now we can write 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x. Now we can write 9x plus 36 equal to 90 minus 9x. Now we separate the variables and the number, and then we get 9x plus 9x equal to 90 minus 36, or 18x equal to 54, or x equal to 3. We assume the original number is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. Now we put the value of the x and we get the original number is equal to 36. Go to next problem, problem number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times of other digit. If you interchange the digits of the two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? It is something like previous problem. Okay, go to the solution. First, we assume the digit at tens place is x. So as per problem, the digit of ones place will be 3x. So the original two-digit number is equal to 10x plus 3x. And after interchanging the digits, means if we assume the digit of tens place be 3x and the digit of ones place is x, then we get a new two-digit number is equal to 3x into 10 plus x, means 30x plus x. So according to question, now we can write 30x plus x plus 10x plus 3x is equal to 88, means 31x plus 13x is equal to 88, or 44x is equal to 88, or x equal to 2. We assume the original number is equal to 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. Now we put the value of x, so we get the original number is equal to 26. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. Go to the problem number 5. The problem is Shubho's mother's present age is 6 times Shubho's present age. Shubho says 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Okay, first we assume the Shubho's present age is equal to x. So as per problem, we can write the mother's age is equal to 6x. And after 5 years, the Shubho's age will be x plus 5. And according to the problem, after 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Means we can write an equation which is x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 into 6x, means x plus 5 equal to 2x. Now we can separate the variables and the number, then we can write 2x minus x is equal to 5, or x equal to 5. The present age of Shubho is equal to 5 and present age of his mother is equal to 6x, means 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Okay, go to problem number 6. The problem is there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio of 11:4. At the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimension of the plot? Okay, go to solution. First, we assume the length of rectangular path or plot is equal to 11x and breadth is equal to 4x. Because the ratio of the length and breadth of the plot is equal to 11 is to 4. So we can assume the length of plot is equal to 11x and the breadth of plot be 4x. And the rate of fencing per meter is equal to 100 and the total cost of fencing is equal to 75,000. So if we divide the total cost by the rate per meter of fencing, then we get the perimeter of the plot. So if you divide 75,000 by 100, we get 750 meter, which is the perimeter of plot. And we know the formula of perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, means 2 into 11x plus 4x is equal to 30x. So as per problem we can write 30x is equal to 750, or x equal to 750 by 30 means 25. Now for calculating the length and breadth of plot, we just put the value of x into the equation of 11x and 4x. So we get the length 11x is equal to 11 into 25, which is 275, and the breadth 4x means 4 into 25, which is 100. Go to problem number 7. The problem is Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him 50 rupees per meter and the trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meter of shirt material, she buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did she buy? So as per problem, for every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. So let we assume 2x meter of trouser material and the 3x meter of the shirt material be bought by him, and the cost of per meter shirt material is 50 rupees and the cost of per meter trouser material is 90 rupees. So the total cost of shirt material is equal to 3x into 50 means 150x, and the trouser materials is equal to 2x into 90 means 180x. Now he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. So after buying the shirt material be 150x, he sells the material at the profit of 12%. So the selling price is equal to 150x plus 150x into 12 by 100 means 12% is equal to 168x. Similarly, he bought the trouser material the cost of 180x and he sell the trouser material at the profit of 10%. So the selling price is equal to 180x plus 180x into 10 by 100 means 10% is equal to 198x. Now as per problem we can write 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600, or 366x equal to 36,600, or x equal to 36600 by 366 is equal to 100. Therefore total trouser material he bought is equal to 2x means 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meter. The next problem is half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. First, we assume the total number of deer be x, and half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field. So deer grazing in the field is equal to x into half, means x by 2. So remaining deer is equal to x minus x by 2 is equal to x by 2 also. And the 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. So they are playing nearby is equal to x by 2 into 3 by 4, means 3x by 8. And therefore the rest of deers is equal to x by 2 minus 3x by 8, means x by 8, which are drinking water from the pond. So as per problem we can write x by 8 is equal to 9 or x equal to 72. Therefore the total number of deer is equal to 72. Okay, go to the problem number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. So first we assume the present age of the granddaughter is equal to x. So the present age of grandfather is equal to 10x, because the grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So we can write an equation 10x minus s equal to 54, because the grandfather is also 54 years older than her granddaughter. So after calculating the equation we get x equal to 6. Therefore the age of granddaughter is equal to 6 and the grandfather is equal to 10x, means 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Go to last problem. Problem number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. First, we assume the age of Aman's son is equal to x, and the Aman's age is equal to 3x, because Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. And 10 years ago, his son's age was x minus 10 and Aman's age was 3x minus 10. And according to the problem, 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So we can write an equation. 5 into x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 10, or 5x minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. Now we can separate the variables and the numbers. We can write 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 10 plus 40, or 2x equal to 40, or x equal to 20. So the Aman's son's age equal to 20 years, and Aman is 3 times his son's age. So the Aman's age equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. So students, like this video and share with your friends, and also subscribe the channel CBSE Math Guru, and to get more video press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.